Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. Before we jump into today's chaos blowout, I just wanted to show you guys the dried result for my last one. If you missed the video, you can watch back. I'll drop a link below, or you can click on it on the end screen. But yes, this is not varnished yet. It turned out gorgeous though. I love it. This is for sale. If anybody's interested, just send me an email at ericahughesart@gmail.com. Love it. And then we have, get any paint on this because this is for a customer. Okay, a lot of you guys asked me for a less expensive option for a spinner. So what we've done, I'll show you. We've created one out of less expensive material. I'll show you what we did. So we have my X spinner. This comes off. So we've merged this into one, as you can see, and used a less expensive material. And I'll show you how it spins. It's brilliant. I love it. So it's got a great spin, same bearing that we use on all the spinners. This is €45. We are currently having a Christmas sale, 20% off. So if you are interested, go to www.ericahughesart.com. I'll drop a link below in the description of the video. All right, let's get into what you guys came for to see me do a chaos blowout. All right, be right back. Before I stick on some music for you guys, I will go over the colors we're using. This is Amsterdam Oxide Black. I just have a little bit here left over in a cup. We have this little piggy cappuccino, Amsterdam Titanium Buff Light, or light, yeah, Buff Light. And then this is what I call my color that I self-mix, and I have a mixing video specifically for this color. It's already in, it'll be in the description under the video. I always post that there because everybody's always asking about it. So yes, and there's my consistency for today. All right, so here we have it. Let me know what you guys think. Very earth tone. Trying to make sure that the color is showing up properly. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of this one. And yeah, leave me a comment. Say hi, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.